bought a 4-speed because it's a 3-speed now, and if you know what a 3-speed, it's like you put it in first gear and you let the clutch out, it's like whoa, 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 whoa. Then you go into second gear, so I thought I want a close ratio 4-speed, and so I put that in there and carved up the front of the area there, but for the stick shift. But yeah, we put the old original back in, so it makes it more, I guess. It's not as much fun to drive, but it works. Something about the clutch, I don't know if it got kind of weak over the years, but it really shakes. When you put it in gear,
It shudder.
it just goes if you let it out. Don't even try to do a burnout. Because it'll hop right out of the engine bay. But yeah, it's just you feather that clutch and you get it moving, and then you're happy, It's I don't know. There's some things I'd probably like to do to make it a little more. Yeah, it's a little saggy in the rear end, and I'm gonna get an exhaust system that goes all the way out back. But right now it's kind of fun. You get cherry bombs.